Hey, what's going on, guys? Stamp778 here, back with another video. Like you saw in the title,
I think there's a chicken in the background.
Stamp778 here, back with another video. Like you saw in the title, I am going to be doing another unboxing video. My other PS4 unboxing hit huge, so that's why I'm doing another one. A little background of this: my camera broke. I'm getting a new one. The new one is right here. That's what we're going to be unboxing today. Guys, let's get right into it. My camera broke. Yeah, it broke, and I had to get a new one, and it shipped here today. It shipped here about 20 minutes ago, and here we go. It is a Kofunk Cool camera. It is much like my other one. I guess you've never seen my other one because I've been using it. This is pretty much what my other one looked like. This one is just a bit advanced. It was a bit more money by a tiny bit, but let's get right into this. But before I start unboxing it, I'd like to thank my cousin Annalise for helping me unboxing it. And you might be wondering who the heck is holding the camera. My cousin Sam is holding the camera. He's our cameraman. You can say hi if you want to, Sam.
Hi.
Thank you to both of you guys for helping me out. Alright, let's get right into this. I'm not going to go over what is on the front. Night vision, video, stuff like that, all that. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Let's see what is in here. Okay, so we got the user's manual. We got the stereo microphone user's manual. So my other camera did have a microphone with it. It broke. This one is probably going to break too. I'm pretty sad about that. The actual camera user manual and another user manual. They had to put 4 in there. Okay, now let's get into this stuff. So first, we got, this looks like
The charger.
the charger. Yes, Sam is right. Good job, cameraman. We got the charger. You can just put it over there if you want. We got the battery. We got the, this looks like a remote to the camera. That looks kind of cool. Camera cleaner. I did not get one of these last time, so I'm happy about that. I can literally just use a rag, but honestly, whatever. This looks like another charger for some weird reason. There you go. This is, oh yes, this hooks the microphone onto the camera. That's the cable for that, because it just goes right on top. And I have a tiny little tripod, which I don't know quite what that does. We'll see. That looks like the tripod part. There's a, I think this is the battery to the microphone. Yeah, you can see that. Here you go. We got, oh my gosh, ooh, shiny! That voice crack. Oh, I am liking this. So this is the tripod, the newest tripod edition. It looks like it has octopus legs.
I'm the octopus.
Yes, it is an octopus. That looks like that can go on. I'm really happy about this, guys.
I think that's a grappling hook.
It looks like a grappling hook. My cameraman is super excited today. I have another battery. There you go. Okay, now let's get into the bigger stuff. We will actually unbox and take all the wrapping off that. Why don't you know what, we'll just do that at the end. We'll do that later. We'll take everything off and we'll show it to you guys when it's done. That'll be in a couple minutes, so stay tuned. Looks like this is the battery charger. Travel charger. Guys, what I did not tell you about this is that this is an actual camera meant for vlogging. So I guess this just outlet, put it right in, put the battery right in, charging, on the go. That is going to save me a lot of time. Here you go. That is going to be great. Oh my goodness. My other microphone did not look like this at all. My other microphone was a piece of trash. This looks professional, guys. Okay, no, it doesn't look professional. My other microphone was broken and all that stuff, but this, okay, it's not on yet. It doesn't have a battery then. This is amazing. This can come off. This is the actual microphone. This is the buzz, whatever they call it. Thing like that. Yeah, preventing from that. I'm sorry. We have another battery. So this is the microphone. This is the microphone for the camera. I'm doing the camera last to build up suspense, so don't worry. What were you gonna say? That's not a good thing. I dropped the, no, I didn't actually drop it.
Broken.
Oh no, it's broken already. I'm gonna have to buy another camera. Okay, this is the wide. This is the wide shot lens. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep that. This is the wide shot lens for my camera. Here, you can scooch up, and you can actually see that this comes off. That is beautiful.
It's a rainbow.
That is a rainbow. Yeah, you guys cannot see that one bit. But this slides, comes off. Looks like the back comes off too. I'll show that to you guys. I have never had one of these lenses. And like I said, this is a wide lens. So, yes, that is a wide lens for sure. I can see you guys perfectly. That is a wide lens so much. That is beautiful. And this is just the cover. Let's see if I
My
can...
mom has one just like that.
Yes, I actually do have a wide lens for my other non-video camera. Let's see if I can. There we go. We got that back on. And yeah, I'll put this. It's like the dust filter, whatever, back on. This is amazing. I'm happy now, as if I wasn't happy before. Oh my goodness! It looks like you can actually change and modify the lenses. This is a keeper. Not that all this isn't, but this is a keeper, guys. That is amazing. Let's see. Alright, this is the camera now. Now, my other one did come in a case like this, but I was never able to use it because it's just so bulky and all that. It doesn't do very much. The case is nice, but honestly, guys, I don't know. Okay, so there's the case. I'm gonna have to get a different case. But
The
here
button's
is
the
camera.
same.
Yes. This is the camera.
Take a real quick video with that thing.
Yes. This is the exact camera. No, it's not the exact, but it's different. It is almost the exact camera that I had before. It is very similar. I think if we open it up, yep, it has. There, let's get this for you guys. It has all the buttons on the inside, the power and everything like this. And then it has the screen, which is a touch screen that you can rotate all the way around this side, so you can like vlog like this. And of course the lens cap comes off and it is attached to the handle. It looks like there is a little thing to peel off. Yes, there we go. That is the lens cover that is supposed to be peeled off. Do not worry, I know. I did it to my other one. Another thing about this camera, I'll just put this back on. It's pretty nice. Here, you can come in, yeah, a bit closer. This part makes me be able to zoom in. This is to take photos. This is where you put the microphone. So, you put the microphone, alright, here. I'm teaching you guys how to do this. The microphone goes on right there, just like so. I'm not going to tighten it on right now. But then you use this to hook it up to the side. And then on the back, there's a little thing. Let's see if I can get it for you guys. And you plug it in right there. So now it's connected. Now the camera is connected to the mic. I can use the mic whenever, wherever I want, with whatever, elsewhere, which is awesome. It's not on specifically to this camera. It just came with it. And that is how you improve your audio. I'm really happy with this. If this ends up on a rating, customer review list for this camera, you can scoot back up. I'm going to give this a 5-star. I love all this stuff. Microphone, tripod, camera charger, wide lens. I might have to set that up right now. So all these chargers, the double battery. I can have 2 batteries charged, guys. I'm never going to run out of battery. Look at me, look at me, look at me. There you go. Never, ever running out of battery. More tripod.
Probably the battery on my mom's phone's dying right now.
Yeah. Charger. Stuff. More stuff. So much stuff, guys. Stand up. Look at all this. Look at all this. Take a look at all of this stuff. This all came in that unboxing. It is amazing, guys.
How many? That's a lot of stuff that came in a tiny box.
This tiny box.
I know.
This tiny box held all of this. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you
Even
guys
the
for...
tripod. That tripod is gigantic.
I know, right? That's crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys all later. I hope you liked this. If this goes high up, guys, I might have to do more unboxing videos, which means I get to buy more stuff. So, it's going to be awesome. Thank you guys
If you
so much
want,
for
I
watching.
can give you some of my stuff and put them in boxes.
Yes, we're just gonna put random stuff in boxes and open them. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, really quick before this video ends, change of locations. So pretty much, I'm just showing you these lenses and my other camera. This is the broken camera. It just has a different brand instead of, Kofun, Cool, something like that. I'm gonna have to get that right. This is just Khmer brand. Same camera, different brand. I already love this one. All the stuff about it is different. And it is amazing. I'm sorry if you can hear my cousins in the background. Okay. Let's get this. Let's see this. I only scoot around, sorry. I had to go outside because people were working in the other one. So, same camera, different lenses. Okay, this one didn't even come with a lens or lenses. Did not come with a lens. The lens word. Okay, so we have this. This is the whole lens cover right here. It just snaps on, snaps in and off. Sorry about the lighting. Just like that. Every single lens mostly does that. This is the main wide lens. You cannot put this on the camera just like that. It will not work. This one will. You do need this one. This is a macro lens. What it does is it makes everything from far seem blurry and up close seem like perfect. So I'll show you that in a minute. And then this is just the cover. So the inside cover. So if I were to put these covers both on these, there you go. It's covered. Put that to the side. Let's put this macro lens on and we'll see what happens. Excuse me for 1 second while I put it on the camera. At first I was like, dude, this is just blurring my camera. I can't see anything. Like you guys can see right now. But as I get closer, it gets clearer. Can you see that? My hand is clear right now. Now it's blurry. Now it's clear. My camera is blurry. Now it is clear. This is very useful for what I'm going to be using my videos in. I'm going to love this. This is going to be amazing. Sorry, my cousin was just passing by. So, where was I? Okay, so that is really useful for all my videos. Up close, far, everything like that. So I'm just taking this one off. You can see as I take it off, possibly, try not to drop it. And we're back to normal. We're back to clear. I love that. This is my new favorite little guy. That's amazing. Now, you might be wondering, well, that's cool, but you said this was a vlogging camera. Yes, wide lens right here. So, I don't know why I took that other one off. Oh, wait. Can I possibly put it? Yeah, I don't know why I took that little one off. I should have kept it on. And sorry about that. It's on. Everything's blurry. Okay. This has a correction lens. Correction part in it. Let's see. And it goes right on here. You can already see it's clearer. It corrects the blurriness. And I don't know if you saw that. I could not. I was busy with the camera. It makes everything wider. So I can twist this to adjust the whatever it's called, the clearness, and make it clearer farther away or clearer up close. It does not seem like I'm able to do that right now. Yeah. So there's that. So this is much wider now. Let's see if I can see the difference. Alright, so there's this. No. Okay, it's off. It's on right now. Now it's off. Isn't that crazy, guys? It was from those two chairs, and I know it's a bit blurry, but it's still the exact same. From those two chairs, put it up to the entire house and place like that. Two chairs, big house just like that. That's crazy. That is, like, insane. Let me take this macro one off real quick. Sorry. You guys are... Half the video is my hand. Sorry. Okay. Chairs. House. Guys, that is insane. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys later. This is going to be amazing later.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.